Okay, so my furnace system is in the compartment that's below my closet in my 1978 Beaver coach motorhome. It has the 78 Dodge Sportsman van. This thing only has like 30,000 miles. I'm sorry, it is a mess in here, and I just kicked my cup of coffee over. So I got the vents for it, ran all the way through these two walls, so it's behind that cabinet. I ran it behind the pocket door, and it is teed off right here, and this is where the furnace was originally, and it didn't work, so I decided it'd be efficient to upgrade it to a diesel heater. So yeah, it's teed off there. These are the factory vent locations, except I moved this one up because I always have something sitting on my wheel well there. But yeah, the fresh air is also in here. There's a pipe that goes through, and I know it's dark under there, you probably can't see it, but that's the fresh air intake. And eventually I'm going to have a filter box built, and you'll be able to open this cupboard and change the filter. It'll vent right, the return will be right there. Eventually I finish projects and make everything look good. But yeah, 78 Dodge Beaver, like the beaver. My name's Jake. Thanks, guys.